Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation with our first real look at the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. Samsung is taking a bold step in 2024, embracing a flat design reminiscent of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. Let's explore the exciting changes and features that lie ahead. The most striking change is the switch to a flat design with rounded corners. This design shift aligns the Galaxy S24 with the aesthetics of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, delivering a sleek and contemporary look. While the design takes a fresh turn, some elements maintain continuity with the previous Galaxy S23. Notably, the rear still features a patternless triple-camera setup, ensuring that Samsung doesn't compromise on photography capabilities. The front of the Galaxy S24 marks a significant leap forward. Samsung has crafted its most bezel-less flagship ever, surpassing even the iPhone 15 Pro series. It boasts an astonishingly thin 1.5mm bezel, outclassing the iPhone 15 Pro's 1.7mm bezel. For those who value minimal bezels, this news is truly exciting. Now, as we eagerly await the grand reveal of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it's essential to stay subscribed to our channel to catch the latest updates. While the S24 and S24 Plus impress with their bezel-less displays, the S24 Ultra's design remains a mystery. Stay tuned for our coverage of this highly anticipated model. Turning our attention to the display, Samsung doesn't disappoint. All models in the Galaxy S24 series will feature a dazzling 2500 nit bright display. What's more, the S24 Plus is stepping up with a Quad HD Plus resolution, a feature previously exclusive to the Ultra model. Expect stunning visuals and vibrant colors to enhance your smartphone experience. In terms of battery and charging, Samsung maintains continuity with the previous year's models. Battery sizes and fast charging protocols remain consistent across the lineup, ensuring that you can stay powered up throughout the day. The Samsung Galaxy S24 promises a refreshing design, cutting-edge display technology, and the continuation of reliable performance features. As we await the Galaxy S24 Ultra's reveal, subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop with the latest updates. We're excited to hear your thoughts on the Galaxy S24's design in the comments below. Until next time, tech enthusiasts, peace out.